Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to provide you some information regarding the Deloitte DLaunch kit, which is a second welcome kit which you will get after the post joining. In this video I'll provide you the complete info that how you will get it and when you will get it. So this video is the unboxing video of the welcome kit too. So coming to the question 1, which is how much time does it take? So probably it will take you around 8 to 12 weeks to get delivered. For me it took almost 3 months to get delivered. Like how to get it? So basically once you join the Deloitte, after around 4 to 5 days you will receive the mail regarding the Deloitte welcome kit, which will contain the survey link you have to fill with your current address. So I have joined Deloitte in February and received it on May 4th. Provide the current address or whatever the address that you want to get delivered this product. Coming to this kit, which contains of the two products, which is this beautiful classy bottle, which I liked it so much, and another one is the diary with one pen. So the specialty of this diary is which we can use it as erasable one. So I'll show you here. You can read these instructions or steps which is given here. You can use any marker or any pen, just let it dry once you write on it. So here I'm writing it as hello, and you can use any cloth or any tissue which can be wiped. So that's why this is a very special diary which can be erased. Here you can go through some of the instructions which is given, like use any marker or any pen and wipe it with any cloth or any material, so which can be reused. And you have lot of different papers with plain paper and dotted papers and papers with lines, so you can use it in different ways. And we also have to-do list. The thing is, you will get this kit only after post joining. So once you have joined, and then you will receive the mail once you filled the survey regarding Deloitte welcome kit. Then and if you guys have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and definitely I'll try to respond to it. And thank you so much for watching this video.